what, guys? We're here in Maroubra Beach, but this is my first time I saw this one. See, it opens. You look, this one is open. See, I will touch. See, it closed. I don't know what is this, guys. Yeah? Yeah, you can play. Yeah, guys, there are plenty of shell, guys. Oh, buwan-buwan. Yeah, buwan-buwan. Hala, kalami, ani, uy. Buwan-buwan. Yan, napagyod ay. Oh, bani siya. Hala, naghanang shell, ani, uy. Dakot gani. Na. Sa mani siya. Kani ba, sa mani, oh. Hala, naghanang siya. Yan, ay mga pula-pulas. Abot, I don't know, and our good guys, I don't know, na meron pa dyan seaweed. Seaweed. Yehey! Seaweeds, guys, ay. Oh, yung mga butakot na, no? Butakot. Sulok na. Butakot na sila. Naghanang shell, uy. Yes, yes. Ganda, kadami shell. Sister, this one, sister, but a lot of shell. We can eat this one. Yeah, you can play. Hala, nak, nandun kay nak ay. There's a little bit of panak ay.
Be careful your phone. Don't drop
Yeah,
it.
but this one is not, it's not.
This is my favorite spot. My sauna.
Oh,
My
very
sauna.
nice.
This is my sauna.
Jeremy, come here, Jeremy.
Huh?
Nice, oh. Well, para siyang whale ba? Sound like a whale.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I sit here.
Really?
And here.
It's a nice
There.
place.
Yes. I like it here.
Look, it's like a whale.
Yeah.
Swimming pool, a little swimming pool. Jeremy, come. Huh? Enough water here.
That's his
Swimming pool.
one. Don't make too much noise, okay? We are the only one.
Huh?
Yeah.
You're cold? Ito. Very good. Oh. Don't worry.
Wait a long time.
Yeah. Huh? Yes, swimming pool ay.
It's a swimming pool. Over
Yeah,
there.
see, look. You can go down. See?
Not
Oh.
real, Mom.
Yeah, it's like a whale. Ah, that's true. I told you. Sige, go down. Go down. Yes. Sit down.
I took a picture.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Hi.
The best place.
Very nice.
Yeah, if you come to Australia, come to Maroubra
They
Beach.
tell octopus there.
Huh? Yeah, there are lots of octopus there.
They say monster octopus.
Yes, there is. There is shark. There is octopus because this is open sea.
Did they say date there?
It's going to Kuana. It's going to. Oh, that's why there.
Mom,
big.
monster.
There is monster space. Monster fish.
Monster fish.
Yeah. That's why you said to me that there are plenty of shells because there are lots of seaweeds. Look at the seaweeds. Look, look, look. Yeah, I forgot to bring that plastic bag because I took.
But we can get it. It's too high, guys.
Yeah, once
So
this
what's
one,
the
look, I
one?
want. Yeah. Oh, look at the seaweeds. Can we eat that one? That seaweed?
I don't know. Do you know any other place too?
No, I don't know. This is also there. Oh, over there.
I never went under this one yet before, but it looks different.
No, we have to ride. I mean, that area, that space, and then we go that way.
Between.
Yeah, over there. Oh.
Yeah, over there too.
Yeah,
That area.
yeah.
I think Bronx is that way, you know. You like it?
I want to.
This is Auntie faces rock pool.
Huh?
Yeah.
That is. I don't know what is this one. The
They're all-
red one.
They are all.
Is that jelly?
Yeah.
Jelly. The one that chip the red.
Yeah.
That's a shell.
Don't make too much noise. People's gonna
Look.
Yeah.
get, you know, just